My DIY FM transmitter. Hello and welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why the typical FM antenna length is about 75 cm? Here's my antenna. About 75 cm. To understand antenna length, first we need to know about wavelength. The distance a radio waves travels. The formula for wavelength is lambda equals C over F. Lambda is the wavelength and C is the speed or velocity, then F is the frequency. Let's calculate the wavelengths at these frequencies. 88 megahertz, 88 megahertz is equal to velocity over 88 megahertz equals 3.41 meters. The FM band is from 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. Since FM covers a range of frequencies, we want one antenna. If we were to make an antenna for each frequency, the size of the antenna would vary for every frequency, which makes it difficult to create a separate antenna for each one. The solution to this is to build a universal antenna for the FM band. For that, we use the geometric mean to find the center frequency. Okay, the formula is center frequency equals the square root of product of low and high frequency. F low is the lowest frequency and F high is the highest frequency. F low is 88 megahertz. And then the highest frequency 108 megahertz. The center frequency is 97.3 megahertz. Now, calculate the wavelength at the center frequency. Speed of light or velocity over 97.3 megahertz. The wavelength is 3.08 meters. Most FM antennas are quarter wave monopoles, meaning their length is 1/4 of the wavelength. To get the 1/4 wavelength, 3.08 over 4 equals 0.77 or 77 centimeters. But in my antenna, I use 75 centimeter. This explains why the antenna length is about 75 centimeter. It's a practical approximation of the quarter wavelength at the center frequency.